Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study anatomy. First, familiarize yourself with the comprehensive syllabus and understand the examination pattern. Next, gather all your essential textbooks, including a good atlas and supplementary resources. Finally, create a realistic and flexible study schedule to manage your time effectively, ensuring you cover all topics thoroughly and consistently. To truly grasp anatomy, active learning is key. Make extensive use of diagrams, flashcards, and anatomical models to visualize complex structures. Regularly practice drawing and labeling different parts of the body. This reinforces memory. Also, consider joining study groups for discussions and quizzes, as teaching others solidifies your own understanding. Practical experience is invaluable. Attend dissection labs consistently to see structures firsthand and understand their relationships. Always try to correlate anatomical structures with their clinical relevance, which makes learning more meaningful and memorable. Don't forget to review previously covered topics frequently to prevent forgetting and build a strong foundational knowledge. Studying anatomy is a marathon, not a sprint. Remember to take short, regular breaks to avoid burnout and maintain your mental well-being. If you encounter difficult concepts, don't hesitate to seek clarification from your professors or senior students. Lastly, prioritize a healthy lifestyle with adequate sleep and nutrition to optimize your focus and retention.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.